Hey there! Today we are going to prepare a delicious vegan asada with cream of mushroom. For this delightful recipe, we will use olive oil, mushrooms, garlic, vegetable broth, soy sauce, cashew cream, parsley, and the crown jewel, the delicious Tvf Asada. For the cream, I will use cashew this time, but you can use your preferred cream. Boil the cashews for about 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Then turn off the heat and let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Blend the cashews with a little water until a thick texture is achieved. Next, prepare the garlic and parsley. In a skillet over medium-high heat, add olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the mushrooms and cook until they are soft and slightly caramelized. Add our delicious Tvf Asada and continue cooking with the mushrooms. Add the garlic and cook until fragrant. Then add vegetable broth, soy sauce, and let it reduce by half. In the next step, reduce the heat a bit and incorporate our cream while stirring constantly. If it's too thick, you can always add more vegetable broth if desired. Finally, once it is thick and creamy, add the parsley. Our delicious asada dish in mushroom sauce is ready to enjoy. You can accompany this delicious sauce with your favorite ingredients. In this case, we will pair it with mashed potatoes. Simply use between 4 and 5 potatoes, peel, cut, and boil them. Once tender, add butter, olive oil, vegetable broth, salt, and pepper to taste. Then mash them gently until you achieve the desired consistency. And voila! The Tvf Asada with cream of mushroom is ready to delight your taste buds. If you enjoyed this recipe, share it, subscribe, and enjoy your meal.